hope you are doing well and enjoying my digital lectures. I am Priya Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is read and write time from analog and digital clock. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and write time from analog and digital clock. Read and write time from analog and digital clock. For that reason, you know that already that there are two types of clocks. The first one is analog and the second one is digital clock. Right now, we are going to read and write time for the first thing, which is analog clock, which is what is the analog clock? You already know that. This clock is analog clock, this one. So you are going to learn what is the time over here. What is the time over here and on this clock? 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, this is what we know, that this time is in the morning. So we are going to assume that this is a time in the morning and we are going to write it as 6 a.m. So 6 o'clock in the evening is written as 6 p.m. Do remember that whenever we are going to have morning time, then we are going to write AM with it, and for the evening time, we are going to write PM with it. We are going to just recall one more thing. We generally do not say 12 AM or 12 PM. Instead, we use the terms 12 noon or 12 midnight. So right now for reading the time on digital clock, we are going to check this thing out, that first time over here. This clock is digital clock. The time shown over here is 9:45. So we are going to say that it is 9:45, and here you can just check the time this side, this time. This time is 8:15. Yes, this time is 8:15. So right now we can say that it is 8:15. So what's the next thing? The time over here is 9:45, or we can just say this one like 15 minutes to 10. And simply we just going to say that 15 to 10, or we are going to say that quarter to 10. Because this is 15 minutes less means quarter, or 15 minutes less means that this is the time, whatever the time is going next. For example, here 9:45. So the next time we are going to say that 15 minutes to 10. So now for this time 8:15. The time is 8:15, or we are going to say that generally that 15 minutes past. Okay, for this side we are going to say 2, and for this side we are going to say that past. Means why this side? Because this time is the time 15 minutes less than the time, okay, that is 10 o'clock. So this time is 15 minutes after the 8 o'clock. So right now we can just say that this is 15 minutes past. We are not going to say after 15. We are going to say that past. This is what done. ये हो चुका है, गुजर गया है, past. So 15 minutes past 8, or simply we are going to say that 15 past 8. Or the one more interesting thing, we are going to say that quarter past 8. To remember that, this is very interesting thing. There are so many ways to write and read time. Okay, how many ways I have told you right now? This first one, 15 minutes past 8. The second one, 15 past 8. And the third one, which is quarter past 8. We are going to move forward with this example. The example statement is, read the time on the given analog clock and write the time in the given spaces. Okay, so right now you can just check this one out, that this time, the part A time is, we are going to say that, check from the picture what is going on in this picture. In this picture, the breakfast time is shown you. So right now you already know that what is the time for the breakfast. Yes, in the morning you do breakfast. So we are going to say that 7:25 in the morning. And we are going to write in this space, what we are going to write, that is 7 colon 2 dots up and down. And then we are going to write 25 over here, and with this one you are going to write AM, A dot M. So now next thing is this. What the next thing? This time is showing you 4. Yes, 4:30. But the thing over here which is written over here, Fajr prayer time. The Fajr prayer time is this one, 4:30 in the morning. or you can just check this one from the picture as well. So the time is 4:30 a.m. Now, my dear students, again you are going to check from the part C. In this part C, the clock is showing you 12:05, or you can say that the time is afternoon time. So if the time is afternoon time, so you are going to write it 12:05 or 12:05 p.m. So this one is clear to you guys. Right now, to read the time specifically, we are going to say that this is 7:25. Okay, so you are going to say that. What next you can say? You can say that 7:25. Okay, and now this time, part B time, you can say that 4:30. Yes, 4:30, because half time is done. So 4:30, because this side is past side and this side is AM side, or okay, so two side. So right now this side is two side and this side is past side. So you are going to again recall that what time this one is showing you. Yes, this one is showing you the time 12:05, means that this is 12:05. Okay, so we are going to simply read it like that. Okay, if for example the time is, this is 10 minutes to 4. This is 10 minutes to 4. So right now I think the picture is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.